Yes, sir. This is a chart breakdown. This is an NZDJPY chart breakdown. So let's get it started. I can see based on this that the market is going to the downside. This is a downtrending market. You can see the direction of the market is going to the downside. So I'll be looking in terms of this. I'll be looking to take my short positions. Based on this, I can see this was the previous high. This was the previous high. And the market broke this lower low. So there was a break of structure around this level. So when I go to the 4-hour time frame, we'll remove this. So based on the 4-hour time frame, I can see this level. See this previous high. Okay, you can see this. There's a good supply zone. It's a good supply zone at this level. There was a break of structure around this level. So as I remember, I'm continuing with the trend. I'm going to the downside. See? Also see that there is indeed a trend line confluence. There is indeed a trend line confluence. So yeah, I'm expecting to push price further to the downside. And as I tap into lower time frame, I can see this supply. I can see the supply zone. I can see also the trend line confluence. As I'm about to remove that. So when I pull my feet out from the highest point to the lowest point, from the highest point to the lowest point, this was a good level of entry. This whole section was a good level of entry. But the problem is, when the market came to this level, it didn't break the lows. It continued going further to the upside. So I was looking for this higher high, the previous high. So the market, this was the golden zone. So let me remove this. This is indeed a good zone. And I can see that the market was busy going to the upside. It created this. Created that zone. Created this consolidation. And it continued going to the upside. And I saw this change of character. Saw the change of character. As the previous low was broken. This previous low was broken. So when I continue going further to the downside, you can also see that this also can also see that. So based on me, the highest to the lowest. So don't expect this to happen before price can push further to the downside. Before price pushing further to the downside, maybe this. something like that. But I can see that this is based on entries. This is an entry confirmation. So I was expecting something like this from happening. I was expecting price to come to this level. So yeah, that's what I was expecting. But I'm already in within this trade. I'm already in. And I think I took myself around this level, on this level, because I thought that I took myself based on this. Took myself based on this. The key levels, I thought this was going to be a rejection for the price to push further to the downside, but it didn't happen. Price managed to push further to the upside, but I was monitoring if the market broke this highs. I was going to close my short positions, but I'm still within the trades. So if price, because this is a consolidation, Asian consolidation. So if price decides to come and mitigate these levels and push further to the downside, you see, yeah. So that this was resting liquidity around that level. See, so yeah, I can see that the price needed to complete this. Now we're expecting a reversal. So I'm expecting price to go further to the downside. That's my expectations. So once I break the market to the downside, and I can see this happening, there was a change of character. Let's say this as a continuation channel. Let's see a continuation channel. Are we expecting price to reach that high before a further continuation to the downside? Because price has already broken the lows. You see, price has already broken this lows. At the moment, I can see that there's an equal low around that level. See, there's an equal low. There's an equal low around that level. So, and I can see that this is a continuation. So based on me, I'll be expecting price to push further to the upside, maybe mitigate that level. At the current moment, is Asian session. Maybe price mitigate this level during the London stop loss above the highs and the further continuation going pushing price further to the downside. So this is what I'm expecting. You see, and also I can see that this is indeed consolidation, and this is because of the Asian session. So I'm expecting price to the upside and push further to the downside. So this is my breakdown of NZDJPY. This is my breakdown of NZDJPY. So yeah, I'll be taking my other positions upon this. Present for this would be my entries. This is a good zone for entries. See, maybe a good zone for entries. I'll take this whole 1:5. That's good. That's good. Yeah, that's the first chart. What is it? The first market breakdown. So yeah, I'll be continue to make more videos of this, but this is what I'm looking at.